Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do pattern or bitmap fill in Affinity Designer. This is a fantastic way to add unique textures and patterns to your shapes, giving your designs a more dynamic and professional look. Bitmap fills are especially useful when you want to create designs that need more personality than a simple color fill. You can use them for backgrounds, logos, illustrations, posters, social media graphics, and many other creative projects where textures can make your design stand out. Let's jump right into it. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once it's open, you'll either open your existing file or create a new one. Now that you have your workspace ready, head over to the left sidebar and click on the rectangle tool. From here, select your preferred shape. This is the shape that will hold your pattern, so choose whatever fits your design vision. You can use simple shapes like rectangles and circles, or experiment with different custom shapes, depending on the type of design you are creating. Next, drag the shape onto your canvas. Position it where you'd like it to appear in your design. The size and placement can always be adjusted later, so don't worry too much about getting it perfect right away. This step establishes the foundation for applying your patterned fill. Creating the shape first gives you a container where your bitmap image or texture can be placed. This makes it easier to control how the pattern appears and how it interacts with your design. Now, click on the Fill tool in the left sidebar. This tool is essential for controlling how color and textures are applied to your shapes, and it's where the real magic happens when working with patterns. The Fill tool allows you to change the appearance of your object by applying different types of fills, including solid colors, gradients, and bitmap images. Once you've clicked it, you'll see several options appear at the top of your screen. Navigate to the upper left and look for the Context option. Make sure it's set to Fill. This ensures that the changes you're about to make will apply to the inside of your shape, not the outline. This setting is important because if you apply the bitmap to the wrong option, the pattern may affect the stroke instead of filling the actual shape. Right beside the Context option, you'll see Type. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select Bitmap. This is the key step that allows you to use an image or pattern as your fill instead of a solid color. A bitmap fill uses an image file as the texture inside your shape. This gives you the ability to add detailed patterns, photographs, textures, or custom designs directly into your objects. A file browser will now appear on your screen. Browse through your files and select the pattern image you want to use as your fill. Once you've found it, click Open. The pattern will immediately be applied to your shape, transforming it from a plain fill into something much more visually interesting. After applying the pattern, you can continue adjusting your design by changing the shape size, position, or other appearance settings to match your project. Finally, use the angle slider to rotate the bitmap pattern inside the shape. Adjust it until the pattern is positioned at the angle you want. This gives you full control over how the texture or design sits within your shape, allowing for precise customization. Rotating the bitmap can help you align patterns correctly, create better visual balance, and make sure the texture flows naturally with your overall design. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a bitmap fill to a shape in Affinity Designer, adding depth and style to your project. With bitmap fills, you can take simple shapes and turn them into more creative and professional-looking design elements. Experiment with different images and textures to discover new styles for your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.